Hello friends, welcome to Dash Rakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see a small evening vlog. For evening snacks, here I have prepared sweet potato patties with some hot chai. For this, here I have taken 300 grams of sweet potato, washed it thoroughly and added into a pressure cooker. Add 2 glasses of water and 1 spoon of salt and 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Mix it well and cover with the lid and pressure it under for 3 whistles on a medium flame. In meanwhile, I'm going to chop the vegetables required for the patties. Here I have taken 1 onion, 1 carrot. You can replace the carrot with beans, cabbage or capsicum or even with grated paneer. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell and you won't miss any videos from my channel. Here I have taken ham grater. Choose the small holes grated and some coriander. Here I have taken 1 green chilli because I am going to give to kids also. So according to your taste, you can increase or decrease the spiciness. In meanwhile, pressure is released. Peel the skin and transfer into a bowl. See how finely sweet potato is cooked. Add 2 spoons of corn flour, half spoon of cumin, half a spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a spoon of chaat masala and required amount of salt. Now add all the chopped veggies into the bowl and mix it well and make into a fine dough. Rub some oil on the palm and make into a small patties in this way. Once you finished making all the patties, take a fry pan. Here I am going to shallow fry it. So add 2 spoons of oil. Keep your flame on medium. Once oil is heated, add 1 by 1 and cook it for 5 minutes on one side and gently flip it over. Cook until patties become golden brown. You can even deep fry it. Once patties turn golden brown, take into a separate plate. In meanwhile, I am going to prepare some tea. Serve with red chutney or green chutney. Here my first batch is finished. Now I am going to add second batch. Once patties are completely cooked, transfer into a serving plate. Here our hot sweet potato patties and tea is ready. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Don't forget to subscribe.